Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 69 Mercury Cyclone. It's not a newer casting, but I think a re-release with a newer paint scheme. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Mercury Cyclone out of its packaging. Let's start from the front. Up front, you've got this chrome grille, chrome headlamp, and chrome bumper. Very common of like Hotwheels doing the older cars, they do that, but at least they've got like the headlamps look nicely detailed there. They're not detailed though, but they look at like the way they are designed, they look good. On the hood you can see the stripes going in, which just ends before the vent or the pump in the hood. You've got Mercury written here. You got windshield wipers, no mirrors. Well, it's from 2000. The actual casting is from 2012. And I don't think Hot Wheels did it mirrors to any one of those. The paint looks nice. It's a darker shade of burgundy or cherry. It looks nice. It's not brown, which might kind of look on the screen, but it isn't. Coming to the side, you see the big two-door coupe-ish kind of line. Looks good. You got again the white stripes going on the side here. Hot Wheels on the back. The wheels look good. They look like those classic alloy wheels, 5-spoke ones. This, I don't know if it's a marker lamp or it's just a continuation of the paint, but it's there. Got the turn indicator here, or it might be a marker lamp. Two doors, so you've got one door here. There's no window in the door here. The rear one has one. It's a 2 seats in the front, bench seat in the back, so I think it's a 5 or 4 seater maybe. Again, got this design element on the C pillar, looks nice. We also got the fuel pillar door on the driver's side. And it's a Cyclone GT. Let's move to the back now. Again, all chrome finish with the bumper, with the tail lamps. You can see twin exhaust here, place for number plate, but no details on the tail lamp either. Also got the stripes going in, big window in the back. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical as the driver's side. The only difference, there's no fuel filler cap here. Interior is done in black. I don't know if it's visible to you. And that's how it looks from the bottom. So overall, should you get it? Well, if you are a fan of old American muscle cars, I think it will look good in your collection. If you want something more detailed, well, I think then you might have to look somewhere else. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.